So your cord's broken on your strimmer, so don't get too upset. We're just going to fix it. So it doesn't look too bad. I was about to tell you to take these screws out here, but if you turn it over, it looks like it's just 4 screws to get to the electric cable. Hopefully we'll find out in a second. So you can either use a big screwdriver to undo them, just the right size, and if you look in the middle of the screw, it's got an actual torque socket, so you could actually use a torque socket, a T20. But if you get screwed on the right size, it will just reach across. I've never done one of these before, so I don't know what to expect. Oh, happy, look at that. Piece of cake. Yeah, you should be happy too, because it's going to be an easy job. Just a plug, that's all you do, cut the wires and put them in there. Piece of cake, undo them too. And you're laughing, and we'll put a bit of grease on the doings around here, just in case. A bit of grease around here. Around here, look, perhaps. Not too much. So first of all, just undo these two, this side, don't do the other side. And they should just pull out. And it's blue to blue look, so you can't go wrong. There you go, and now I've soldered them. You can solder these, but it's, someone might say that. Let's undo them two now. And there you go. So just remember, first thing, to pull it off and put it onto the old wire, the bit of the wire you got left over. You can find the end, there you go, look, there's the end. Push that over so you don't forget about it. Now cut the wire back. I'm just using these because it's all I can find. And oh god, I'm not gonna, you can just snip it back. And but then you want to cut some of this off. About there. So probably best off with scissors, to be honest. Just go round. There you go. So don't panic if you make a mistake, you can just cut it off and start again. Then once you've got the two wires like that, you can just twist them around. And I'm going to solder these, but you don't have to, you can just put them back as they are. You might have trouble getting that blue wire in, so if you prise it up, it makes it a lot easier. Look at my shit soldering, crap soldering, it's not even gone on the other side. But so let's put the brown one in first. Both in, blue to blue look and brown to black in this case. So now I can shove it back into the fixings and bend this wire around. That stops it getting pulled out of the machine. And then put the cap on there. It's a bit tight, so you might be better off cutting a bit more wire off, but so you get a better angle, if you know what I mean. just put one side in first, then we can bring it round and put the other side in. Here we go. Oof. Don't go mad, just there you go. Just go back and check your connections are tight, because they do loosen off when you're moving stuff about. Oh, God. Right, so we can put the cover on. Well, we can put this back now. Oh, I'm going to grease it first. You don't have to do this. Right, I'm just putting a bit of grease on in places. Just wing it. Oh, look, there's a bit of grass there, look. Bloody thing. Get out of the bloody way. Oh, it's all stuck in. You know what I mean? Just grease things up if you want to. You don't have to. I think that's where the cam is.